अरे भाई साहब, आप इतना फ़ोन मत कीजिए ना मेरे को जब चाहिए होगा तब मैं खरीद लूँगा। क्या हुआ भाई? अरे मुझे चाहिए था यार टर्म इंश्योरेंस। अब मैं चले गया के वेबसाइट पे, अब ये मुझे फ़ोन पे फ़ोन किए जा रहे हैं यार। ओह अच्छा। Why is comparing term insurance so complicated? We spoke to around 50 people who were in a process of buying term life insurance. All they ranted about was 3 major issues that they faced while buying term insurance. Could not understand or decide an option. एक complicated puzzle की तरह बहुत सारे options एक ही screen पर दिखा रहे हैं। राइडर्स, क्लेम पे आउट्स, इंक्रीजिंग लाइफ कवर, रिटर्न ऑफ प्रीमियम लिमिटेड पे। बिल्कुल भी क्लियर नहीं है कि एग्जैक्टली एक प्रोडक्ट को क्यों ऊपर दिखाया जा रहा है, एक महंगे प्रोडक्ट को एक सस्ते प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर दिखाया जा रहा है। इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज जिनका क्लेम सेटलमेंट रेशियो कम है उन्हें ऊपर रेकमेंड किया जा रहा है, और जिनका ज्यादा है उन्हें नीचे। एड ऑन्स तो बाय डिफॉल्ट ऐड किया जा रहा है और मुझे पूछ भी नहीं रहे हैं इसके लिए। कुड नॉट डिसाइड ऑन विच इंश्योरर टू चूज। People want to understand which plan provides the most hassle-free claims experience. Claim settlement ratio, as we all know by now, does not reflect the claim experience. It is just a ratio that tells how many claims were paid against received. We have done a detailed video on claim settlement ratio, जिसका link आपको description में मिल जाएगा. They got too many calls. And this is not new. Despite asking them to stop, people complain that they receive too many calls chasing them, forcing them to come online so that they can be explained the term plan. ऑनलाइन आ सकते हैं, मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ एग्जैक्टली प्लान क्या होता है। These guys are very amazing to talk to and are very sweet people, but they may not be the unbiased advisor that the customer wants to talk to or depend on. You deserve better, bro. We taught term insurance customers who want to buy a financial security plan for their family deserved better. Our research team got down to what is now called Beshak Star Ratings. Beshak Star Rating is an important platform that gives you 5 important things. It will bring you relevant information around claims track record, not only claim settlement ratio. Which insurer is the fastest in paying claims? Which insurer receives more complaint? Which insurer has the longest and most complicated claim form? You can know insurers' service track records as well. We also found out which insurance company is the fastest in responding to your frantic calls and your tikha complaints on Twitter. Zero jargons and easy to understand. It is in simple language even my grandmother would understand. 100% unbiased. Most importantly, the platform is 100% unbiased. We don't sell or advertise insurance, so we have no incentives to push any brand or any plan up. And yes, of course, you will not get any calls. We don't call you at all, even if you want us to. We empower you with the information and then leave you alone to decide. We know you know what's best for your family. To log on to Beshak, you can type on your browser www.beshak.org. Also, अगर आपके कोई सवाल है जो आप पूछना चाहते हो रिगार्डिंग टर्म इंश्योरेंस या हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, आप हमारे फोरम पर आकर यही सवाल पूछ सकते हैं और आपको लीडिंग इंश्योरेंस एक्सपर्ट्स के थ्रू इसके आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक कर दीजिएगा इस वीडियो को, एट द सेम टाइम सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। So we will meet you shortly with another video. Till then, please stay safe and stay home. Also, please wear your mask whenever you are stepping outside, or even if you want to wear it at your home. Nobody minds. Bye bye. Raho Beshak.